Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the Pixel 6 so the reset works cleanly. First, charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to Wi-Fi. A dying battery interrupts resets. Next, back up your Google account, photos, messages, and any app-specific files so you can restore later. Make sure you know the Google password tied to the device because factory reset protection may ask for it. Once done, unlock the phone and open Settings to start the reset process immediately. You'll now perform the reset through Settings, unless the phone is locked. In Settings, choose System, Reset Options, then Erase All Data Factory Reset. Confirm your PIN or password, then tap Erase All Data. The device will reboot and take several minutes to wipe and reconfigure. If you can't access Settings, power off and hold Power plus volume down to enter bootloader. Then navigate to Recovery Mode, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset with the volume keys, and confirm with power. Once the reset finishes, the Pixel 6 will reboot and show the setup wizard. You should tap Start, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with the same Google account to restore backups and settings. This is how your contacts and apps return. Reinstall apps from the Play Store and re-enable security like PIN, biometrics, and two-factor authentication. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, go back to recovery mode and run Wipe Cache Partition. If that fails, repeat the factory reset. Contact support only after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.